I'm going to share a trick right here that I just learned. Whenever I was trying to put this socket on that, it's real difficult because the socket won't go through the hole right here. So I couldn't figure out how to get that through the hole and on that. Well, what I learned is if I take the extension off of my nut driver, lay my nut driver down, then I can rotate the socket around, push it through right there, and pull it out. So when I go to put it in, all I have to do is push it around, fish the end of the extension through that hole, push it around, and voila, I'm on it.